What's the meaning of brick? Brick. Brick.
Brick. Brick. The word brick has multiple meanings depending on the context in which it is used. However, generally speaking, a brick is a rectangular block made of fired or baked clay used for building purposes, such as constructing walls or buildings. When describing something as being brick, it typically means that it is strong, solid, and dependable. The result of using bricks in construction is a durable and sturdy structure that can withstand various weather conditions and stand the test of time. Bricks are a common building material used worldwide and have been in use for thousands of years.